Hi, honey.
Hi.
How was the dance?
Boring.
Boring?
Yeah.
Did anybody recognize you?
No.
Did guys all chase you around?
Wasn't really paying attention. Probably.
Well, weren't they after your sexy little butt? No. Well, that's a shame. You're all dressed up and let's see, model that cutesy little dress. Ho 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 ho, I want to see the back. More back. Turn around. Because this camera is so small, I think the light's kind of bright there, you know.